Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Aditi and today we're going to talk about tricks to make your bathroom look bigger. There is an art to knowing how to make a small bathroom look bigger. If your decor ideas don't match up to the size of your bathroom, then don't worry, you're not alone. Tiny bathrooms are a common problem, whether you live in an apartment or are working on a secondary bathroom in your forever home. You can of course have the space remodeled, but that will be an expensive and a time-consuming process. Thankfully, there are plenty of design solutions that you can use to make your space feel and look bigger and without spending a fortune. So, let's get started. Select glass shower doors that gleam to make your bathroom look bigger. The beauty of using a glass shower curtain is that you'll never have that problem again, and it will make your shower space feel larger and more stylish. When we can see all of the space, our brains are tricked into believing that it's larger than it is. You can have the glass cut to size 2, which means they fit even in the tiniest of corners. Make sure you're cleaning glass shower doors properly too for a gleaming finish. Lighten up your grout color. Wall hung units are a key design trick to make your small bathroom feel bigger. Being able to see your flooring creates the illusion of space. So if you can choose a basin that's narrow and you can see the wall tiles to create the shelf, then you're on to an interior design winner. The result will be a seamless feel that looks fabulous. And don't forget to use wall mounted fixtures and fittings. Make a feature of them by choosing a bright brass, which will result in a great look and also create a warming glow. An all-encompassing design is really important to make your bathroom look bigger. There is an advantage to having a smaller bathroom. It means if you're on a budget but have always yearned after a particular tile that is pricey, if your bathroom is small, it means you won't need as many tiles if your bathroom was a normal size. So reprice your scheme, revisit your favorite bathroom tile ideas and see what you can afford. An all-over tile scheme can really enhance a bathroom, so go for it. Repeat tiles on the floor and on the wall. Not only will this achieve a seamless feel, it also creates a much sought after hotel chic style. Using large format tiles on both the walls and floor using a marble effect or pale tiles will lighten and brighten your bathroom hugely. The result will be a fresh looking bathroom that is easy to clean, spacious and smart. Fixtures that distract the eye play a huge role in making your space look bigger. Sometimes we want more than smooth painted and tiled walls, like a beautiful rustic scheme for example. As mentioned earlier, having a smaller bathroom can be used to your advantage. You can create an innovative look without breaking the bank. If you love the use of wood, then consider reclaimed boards on your walls. They add a warmth and a tactile element that is reminiscent to a cozy log cabin. A tiny tub for a tiny bathroom will make your space look bigger. We automatically believe that a small bathroom means shower only, but you can get fabulous small baths to fit into the tiniest of bathrooms. This is revolutionary for those who aren't fans of showers. You may have to sit up more, but you can still relax. Paint the exterior in a shade to match your scheme for a lovely cohesive feel. Don't forget that mirrors are key. If you can cope with mirrored wall, then it will double the appearance of your bathroom. However, they aren't for everyone. We don't all want to see ourselves that much. As an alternative, a good-sized mirror placed above the basin will easily suffice, and one with curvy corners will look more friendly than an angular design. One of the simplest ways to make a small bathroom appear bigger is to invest in neutral tones. A pale scheme will always be a winner when it comes to making a small bathroom feel bigger. Dark shades can feel oppressive and will definitely make the space feel the opposite. So opt for light and airy shades teamed with white and pale wood units. Keep floorings light too. A slight texture will work well, but keep it subtle. The idea is for it to feel fresh and bright. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.